I'm really glad it's not raining anymore.
Yeah.
I can't take another night sleeping in this car. We're gonna have to build a shelter today. And as long as it's not raining, I think we can do it. What do you think?
I can't spend a night.
Well, the car was kind of uncomfortable, right? I think this will be a lot better if we can build a shelter. And all the other kids, they're expecting us to have a tent when they get to our Sunday school camping trip.
A tent?
Yeah, and we forgot the tent and they don't know it. So we're gonna have
We
to...
forgot the... Oh.
Yeah, remember? We forgot the tent. So we're gonna have to build a big shelter. Do you think we can do it?
Possibly.
Okay.
I don't really think so.
Well, I think we can. There is one problem.
What?
We don't have any tools.
What?
Yeah, that might be a little bit of an issue, but what's the first thing we're supposed to do
Believe in God.
even before shelter?
God.
God. So how do we put God first if we don't even have a Bible with us?
Memorize the verse.
You're right. Say our memory verse. What's our verse that we all know?
God is
Our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore we will not fear. Psalms 46:1. Very good, guys. I have a verse that I learned when I was your age. You want to hear what it is?
Mm-hmm.
And we'll add that one. It's 2 Corinthians 5:7. Can everybody say that?
2 Corinthians 5:7.
And here's what it says. For we walk by faith, not by sight. Can we say that? For we walk by faith, not by sight. 2 Corinthians 5:7.
Make sense.
Walking by faith?
No, walking with no sight. Like walking with your eyes closed. You'll bump into a bunch of stuff.
Well, you're right. It doesn't make sense, does it? That's because, does faith make sense?
No. What is faith?
Faith means believing in something that you can't see. So if you can't see it and you believe it's real anyway, that's having faith. That's like believing in Jesus. Having faith means believing in something that we can't really see, but we can see the things God does for us, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like right now, today, He made the sun shine so that we have time to build a shelter, and other things that God does for us every day, right? Let's see. Now we put God first today. Let's see if we can go find things for our shelter. I think it's a nice day. I don't know what we're going to do about tools, but we'll think of something.
Hey!
What?
Why don't we do what the Native Americans did to build their shelters?
What was that?
They take pegs,
Right?
and then they take a stick and they go pang, 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 pang to make the wood stick together.
What
or
do they-
if they don't know how to make pegs, they take tree sap, which is really sticky.
Oh, okay.
And it actually is really good glue.
Right.
They take the tree sap, they rub it on the stick, and they stick them together. And they just
Well-
keep going.
Well, what did they go pang, pang, pang with? A hammer?
No, they took like a really hard stick and they go,
Oh, they make like a tool? They make a tool themselves?
they had primitive tools. They
Oh.
actually made tomahawks and all sorts of
No
weapons
kidding.
back then.
Do you know how to make them?
No. I
If-
remember when I made a wood tomahawk.
Okay, well maybe we can make some tools. What do you think?
I know how to make a torch.
All right, well let's go look for some sticks, okay?
Okay.
Because I can't sleep in this car again tonight.
Me neither. I didn't even have a sleeping bag or a...
No. And everybody else is expecting all the camping stuff. This looks like maybe a good place to get some sticks for a shelter. What do you think?
There's vines!
I mean, there's
Where? There!
trees down
Oh, those are vines.
and things. Trees.
Vines. Let's get out.
We'll go a little further. I don't know about this. Do you think that there's trees down, especially for us to be able to build shelters out of?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Might
work.
Right here.
Well, we gotta find some more. Let's see if we can find a place where there's a lot of good A lot of good sticks. There looks like a good stick there. How big is that one?
Oh, that's pretty big. Ow! What is it?
Is it big? Can you get it? Okay, we need one big one. Help her.
Ow!
Help her get it.
Sorry. Whoa!
Can you get it? Can you get that one? Oh, that one might work. Get that one. That's good. Good. That's okay. Bring it over. Whoa, look at those woods. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I'm so glad it's a nice day. This is perfect. Yeah. This will be great. Can you get some more? Do you need help? Do you need help?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not tall enough to fit this on the back.
You need some help with the big one. You might need all three of you. What? You're right. God is our refuge and strength.
A very present.
Yeah. Therefore, we will not fear, right? That was a really good start
Yeah,
to our shelter. Now we need
a little bit more.
like some leaves or something with
Hey, branches.
branches. Pine branches. I don't see any pine trees. We're gonna
Maybe
have to
like
just keep
walk.
going and see what we can find. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Perfect. Yeah, get all like those that you can. That's great. Keep getting them. That's awesome. This is going to be a great shelter.
I have awesome strength.
We need this shelter. All right. I think that's probably enough.
No, we need a lot more.
We do?
Because these leaves are falling off, and if they fall off in the shelter, we need like extra.
Oh, that's a good one. I think we're right. I think we're going to need to get a rock for our tools. Is there a good rock here we could use to pound with?
I'm gonna pick it out.
Pick out one that's good
Look
holding.
how funny that looks.
Oh, that's a cool one. Get that one.
We could take like a stick and then like some cordage. No, cordage.
Okay.
And then we wrap it around the stick. Then
Right.
we could have an axe and we could go chop, chop, chop.
Okay, let's try that.
Oh, a slug.
Let's
Look,
try
there's
that.
a slug.
Good.
That's
Okay.
a good axe head.
All right, let's get.
So we got a bunch of sticks.
Yeah, we got.
Axe head.
I think we got everything we need to build our shelter, but what about this road? Oh boy. Maybe we shouldn't have done this. Oh boy.
Oh boy, I'm getting sick.
This is quite the road. Oh boy. This looks like it's a good place maybe for... Does this look like a good place for a shelter?
Yeah, it's good for hunting and trapping.
Well, this looks like it might work.
Yeah, but there's a creek down here.
There's a creek?
Yeah.
Come on back up. Where'd you go? Is there water?
It's a drought.
It's a drought.
Drought.
Let's put the long ones in one pile and the short ones in another. Okay? What are you doing laying down on the job?
Looking at the clouds because it's a beautiful day. You know, Miss Julie, sometimes it's nice to just put up my kite and just watch the clouds roll by and just relax.
Yeah, well, I don't know. If we keep relaxing,
Because there could be a bear.
what do you think might happen if we relax?
We don't get the job done.
You don't get the job done, but what else? What's going to happen soon? Well, the leaves are changing. It's getting, so that means it's getting colder out at night. But what else?
Don't know.
Is the sun going down or coming up? We better get this shelter built in a quick hurry. I think we better stop relaxing. What do you think? Yeah, I think you better get up and get busy. Let's say our verse again, guys. What did we learn today?
That shelters are hard to build.
You're right, but did we learn that God provides for us?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had everything just from those fallen trees, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think that's enough to build our shelter?
Yeah, probably.
Do you think God provides for everybody? Do you think from now on we can walk by faith, not by sight?
What is faith? I'm walking by faith.
What does walking by faith mean? Remember, that means believing in something that you can't see. For we walk by faith, not by sight. See you next week, kids. Bye.
Wait a minute.